Hello everybody, this is Mr. Schuman with another measurement tutorial video. In this example, we're going to talk about using measurement to actually lay out a mark or a measurement rather than just read a measurement or take the size. In the last one, we measured this piece of wood, but here, let's just say that you need to, you have a measurement 4 5/8 of an inch that you need to measure from the edge and then mark. You would still use that same 5-step process that we've been talking about through all of our examples. So the first thing you have to kind of be careful for, however, is depending on which tool you're using. Remember, on some of them, the zero mark starts on the end of the tool. And in some cases here, like on this architect scale, it does not. It starts in off the edge. So to measure with this, you'd start, the bench rule, you'd start right at the edge. With the architect scale, you would need to make sure the zero mark is right on that edge. So as we take a look here, right, we know where 4 is, all right, but to find the 5/8, there's a couple things you can do. Some of you may have already noticed that one edge is in 1/16 of an inch and the other edge is in 1/8 of an inch. So it would be really easy to flip this and then 4 and then 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8 and make a mark. So that's a quick and easy way to do it. But what happens is, what happens if here, like where it's not in 1/8 of an inch and you don't have that option, right? And maybe you're, still getting used to the measurement process. If you know what 5/8 is here, great. But another trick you can do is remember, if this is based on 16ths, 16 divisions, you can do the 8 times 2 is 16. 5 times 2 equals 10, right? So 10/16 reduces the 5/8. So what we can do then is there's 4 inches, and then you need 10 of these 16ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then from there, you can make your mark, and then use any of the other tools that are necessary to continue with any of your markings or whatever it may be. So just, an example of how, instead of taking a reading off of something, how to actually use a measurement and do some layout and to make markings or layouts. So any questions, please see your instructor. Good luck.